Welcome to part 2 for our sand dune painting for World Down Syndrome Day. Yeah.
Right. So for the next bit we're going to sketch where our sand dunes are going to be. So these there, well, these are going to come up there, and then sort of down there, and then a little bit of a sand dune over there. There you go. So all the rest of it's going to be water.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you do that on yours.
Yeah. And Dad is painting the horizon line for me.
Horizon line.
Yeah.
So it's a bit of mauve and a bit of Naples and blue and a bit of burnt sienna. So we're going to do a very thin
line.
Oh, couldn't breathe. A thin line, yeah. Just across there like that. That'll do for a minute. So that's yours, and I'll do mine then. This is mine now. Good go. Yeah.
But it really doesn't matter because it's a bit wonky.
Well, you don't want a wonky horizon line, really, but
No.
you can hide your wonkiness with something.
Oh dear.
I always hide my wonkiness.
Wonkiness. Oh dear.
Yeah, there you go. There, that'll do for a minute. There you go. Okay. Right, then we're gonna pick up a bit of Naples.
Yeah.
All right, and then below that purple line we've done, we're gonna put that Naples in there like that.
Yeah.
Right.
Make them come out.
Pardon?
Come out, he said.
You can do yours in a minute. So just bringing that purple, because this is the reflection of what's going on, what colours are in the sky. Like. So that's reflecting that into the sea. Right? So we bring that colour in there like that. All right. So we're going to do that on yours now.
Yeah.
There you go. There's the brush, madam.
Oh God, my granddad used to call me madam.
Did he? Go on then.
Do you mean
Yeah, that's the way. No, it's the wrong way. If you're going from left from that way, you need the angled brush to go that way. So do it across that way, okay? Good go. Colour it all in there with that colour.
Yeah, but not in the kind of purple.
Good go. I'll give you a bit more Naples yellow. That's it. Good go. Push quite hard. Wait, no, you need to blend the two together, and I'll show you with mine. Just pull that purple into that yellow. That, all right. There, like that. That's nice. Now we've got to blend it again, very gently.
Yeah.
All right, I'll do yours now. save a bit of time. There.
Beautiful.
Okay.
I'm actually enjoying this.
You're enjoying it. That's
Yeah.
good. That's good. Right. So we need to do a line. Okay. Like the wave in that one. See that wave there?
Yeah.
See that wave?
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do. The one in the middle. All right. Okay. So it's going to be quite dark. So for the line we're going to need some burnt umber and a bit of blue and a bit of purple. So we've got a really dark colour on the purple side. Let's have a look. Let's see what I don't know what it's like until we put it on the picture really. Right, let's see. Okay. So a line going across all the way across like that.
Just a straight line.
Yeah, well, just a straight line is not as easy as it sounds.
Like this, is it?
Yeah. Go on then. That's good. Go on, straight. Keep it straight. Aye, that's good. Like this. Put it all the way down like that. Oh, here's the coffee girl. Hang on. Oh, thank you very much.
I've just got tea.
Right, so what we do is pull that, the bottom of the wave down, like that.
Down?
Downwards, yeah, like that. No. Right, all the way along. Like that. So we'll leave the top a nice straight line, but pull the bottom down and then across. Alright? That's it, good go, well done. No, a bit hard. You might find it better with the small one.
Yeah.
Try that. That's a little nail brush. That one.
Nail brush?
Yeah. That's nice. Good go.
Left and right, is it?
Yes, yeah. That's it. Good. So now we're going to do some sand. Alright, so pick up the Naples yellow.
This
And
beautiful colour.
leave the bottom corner so you can hold the canvas, alright? So like that.
Beautiful.
Lovely. Right, and then just do that. Just colour that in so we get that little. We just do this side for a minute. Are you going to do yours? Yeah.
Yeah.
Go. There you go.
Got my lovely cup of tea.
And I've got my nice cup of coffee.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Mine is a bit hot from that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
Do you have to colour this in?
Yeah. There you go. That's it. Scrub it in.
Need some more maples.
Yeah. Need some more what?
Maples.
Maples.
Yeah, I call them.
There you go.
I need some more maples yellow.
Maples.
Yeah, I call them, yeah.
That'll do for a minute. Good. Well done. Right. So the next bit is we're going to do the shadowy side of the dunes. So pause
Yeah, a bit hot.
and mix a bit of this nice sort of purple colour in it. And I'm going to come in dark.
Yeah.
So it's a lot darker that side, look. Like that. You see how dark we got on that one? See how dark that is?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what we're going to do on there.
And then some grass and stuff.
Yeah, we'll do the grass later.
Yeah.
Don't rush to do that.
No.
Plenty of time for that.
Oh.
Right, I've left that corner empty, so unpainted.
Don't know why.
So I'll show you why. Shall I show you why? So I can do this, that, where I can hold it, hold the canvas still when I'm painting. See?
Oh, I see you mean. Yeah.
There you go. Do that to yours then, darling. Right.
Need some more, this colour.
Go on then. That's it. There you go. Just there. I'm going to darken mine. Mine's very pale.
Yeah. Oh, lovely cup of tea.
Is it?
I just had a lovely cup of tea. Make my change.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have 3 teas in a day.
Yeah.
Yeah. One at dinner time, one in this afternoon, after dinner. Yeah. Strange.
There. That's it. The start of some grasses. So I've got the
Thank you for watching our video, and I hope you enjoyed it.